What's up? This is my bike check. Got a Sunday Ian Shwartz signature frame, S&M Grand Slam XLT bars, Shadow 13 grips, so comfortable, Primo Annihilator stem, Eastern headset, Odyssey CS2 race forks, Demolition Volumia front hub, laced to a Demolition Zero rims. With Odyssey Aiken tires, they work really sweet. Got Redline device cranks with a Redline bottom bracket, Odyssey twisted pedals, Rogue status seat, the gun one, looks pretty sweet. Got the Anorexia cassette hub, laced to Zero rims, with an Odyssey Aiken back tire. Got the KMC 710 SL chain, and here's the sound of my hub. It's not that loud, but it's pretty sweet. Got the Eastern Medusa Lite Sprocket. It's pretty good. It's really light. That's about it. See ya.